Good afternoon. Today being the 21st day of February 2020, our topic is on verbs. And before we start, I would like us to find the term verb. We were told that a verb is an action or a doing word, right? Exactly. A verb is any word that denotes an action, a word that denotes or tells you about an action. Stand, listen. These are all action words. They are all action words, therefore they are called what? The verbs. Or they are words that also tells you the state of being. For example, is, am, be, was, were. They are all the conjugated form of the verb is. I am going to school. We have different types of verbs. The verbs are classified into different types. Firstly, we have what we call the regular verbs. Regular verbs, just like the name implies, they are all those verbs that form their past tense by adding the ed form. By adding the ed form. Those verbs that when you add ed to them, you have the word. Listen. To get the past tense of listen, you add ed to make it what? Listen. Why those words that when you want to get the past tense form of them, you don't add ed, rather it changes its form completely. They are called the irregular verbs. Irregular verbs. Verbs that change its form completely in order to derive their past tense. For example, weep, wept, sleep, slept. These are called what? Irregular verbs. On your own, you can sit down and derive as many examples as you want. Listen, listen, jump, jumped, cook, cooked. Any verb that when you want to get the past tense form, you add ed, is called regular verbs. Now again, there's what we call the auxiliary verb. Auxiliary means help, helping verbs. In the sense that in this case we have two different verbs in a sentence. While the first one is the auxiliary, the second is called the main or the lexical verb. For example, in this sentence, I am going to school. We have the subject, we have two different verbs, we have the preposition, and we have the noun. The first verb that comes in the sentence is called the word auxiliary or helping verb. While the next is called the main or the lexical verb. What is the work of this auxiliary verb here? Its work is to what? Indicate the tense of the main or lexical verb. That is to say, I am going, I'm here, is indicating the tense that it is happening in the present time. It is how that example. She was going to the market. Was is also telling you that it happened in the past. It's a past continuous verb. It happened in the past, but it's kept on happening. She was going to the market. So whenever we have two different verbs in a sentence, the first one becomes the auxiliary, while the next one um comes. All right. Now we have different types of tenses. Tenses are only seen in the verbs. Tenses is only from the tenses is simply the time tense, the past, and the time of the action. While the future tense tells you that the time of the action will be later. This present tense is further divided into three different parts. Tense. Likewise, the past tense is also divided into the simple past tense and finally the past perfect continuous tense. Future tense is divided into the simple future tense and finally deriving future tense using the modal will. It happened before, while the future tense tells that the action will happen later. The simple present tense is just simple. For example, I am going to school. Okay. The present continuous. It is not ongoing or it didn't happen. It happened now, but it is completed. For example, I did action. So, just like I said before, tenses are derived from what? The verbs are derived into regular and irregular verbs. We also have what we call the auxiliary verbs, which is the helping verb in the sentence, and the main or the lexical verb, which is the main action in that sentence. Thank you very much. We're going to continue from our next class tomorrow.